Yo, it's Angel Marquez here, back at you guys with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be installing some shifter bushings, because right now one of them has the hole grew or it enlarged more than it should have, and I'm going to change it out because I want to get a more precise shifter feel. There are two ways to actually remove or replace the shifter bushings. One of them is through the top, where you take off the intake box, and if you have the cruise control, you could take off the cruise control and you could get to it like that. Or you could go through the driver's side wheel and you could access it through there. Today I'm going to be doing it through the top, so I deleted cruise control and I just need to take out the air box to get to it. So that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, so this is what it is before. I do have a short shifter on here, but yeah, let me see if some of that could be taken away by the shifter bushings. Alright, so since I deleted the cruise control, I could get to it right there. But if you didn't delete cruise control, or your car didn't have cruise control, it'll be pretty easy to access. So I'm not going to take out the air box. I'm just going to remove it from there. Alright, so the way to take this out is you basically grab it from here and then you're going to tug it out that way. You gotta apply pressure, because or else it's really locked in there, at least for mine. So just pull it that way over the lip and then use that as a way to help you guide it out. Can you spot the difference on these? Ready? 1 or 2. Let me try that again. A lot less back and forth movement and improved side to side movement. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and keep a positive mindset while being unique.